As in any word problem, we need to look for some of the key words that are going to tell us what kind of problem this is. So it does tell us to find the pay, so we know we're looking for money of some kind, but how are we going to solve this kind of problem? That's when we need to look for keywords. So let's start at the beginning. A person's paycheck varies directly as the number of hours worked. For working 15 hours, the pay is $78.75. Find the pay for 35 hours worked. So the words varies directly tells you that you need to set up a direct variation proportions. Okay, so by proportions, I mean we need to set up two fractions. In order to do that, we need to know what are we going to put on the top of the fraction and what are we going to put on the bottom. So it says for 15 hours, so let's say on top we're going to put hours, the number of hours, and on the bottom of each fraction we're going to put the pay, how much they're getting paid for those hours. Okay? So, for instance, the first proportion would be for 15 hours, that goes in the numerator, the top, they would receive $78.75. Okay? Find the pay for 35 hours worked. I'm going to let you fill in the other proportion. One of them is going to be a variable because we don't know the pay, right? So you need to put a variable there that you need to solve for by cross multiplying. Okay? So let's see, find the pay for 35 hours we do know, and then we do not know the pay. So from here you're going to cross multiply and divide. Okay, I'm going to let you try and solve it on your own. I can give you an example of what cross multiplying and dividing looks like. So let's see. We have 5 over 10 equals 6 over x. So if I'm cross multiplying, what I'm doing is I'm taking x times 5, which is 5x, and then I'm putting an equal sign, and then I'm multiplying the other direction, 6 times 10, which is 60. Now I have a one-step equation. X is almost alone, and remember that's the goal, is to solve for x. To get that x alone, I need to divide both sides by that 5. Because 5 divided by 5 is 1, so 1x equals, and 60 divided by 5 is 12. Okay? So cross multiply and then divide. Use these steps to help you finish the problem.